All right, guys, today we're going to walk through the 2022 Forest River Gray Wolf Black Label, the 23DBHBL. This camper is at 29 foot 3 inches, so it is under the 30-foot mark that a lot of the national forests like to keep you under to be able to get in. Has the Total Control one-touch system, which is very nice. It is a black label, so it has solid surface countertops. Weight-wise, you're at 5,380 pounds. Dry, and then you at gross vehicle weight with all your cargo and water, you're at 7,621 pounds. So half-ton towable with all your modern trucks. So very lightweight camper. It is a bunk house, so you can take all your kids and family, be very comfortable in this camper. Let's go check it out. So here we are outside the Gray Wolf 23DBHBL. Again, 29 feet long. It is a black label, so instead of the regular aluminum siding, you got fiberglass on the outside, as well as frameless windows. A little bit more upgraded, a little bit nicer. You get this nice gray paint job instead of the standard blue. Cherokee does it well, and it's a great camper. Let's take a walk around it. So here it's not pass-through storage because they got the water heater on the other side, but you still have a nice big open storage here to be able to haul all your outside equipment, chairs, tables, anything you want to bring with you. Nice big awning that pretty much takes up the whole camper here. Nice blue LED, as well as a nice door light there. Here's you got the nice tinted frameless windows, good example of that, as well as the black glass door that Cherokee does on all their campers. Just makes a nice clean look for the whole camper there. On this 23DBHBL, you have a nice ice maker on the outside. Spray port here, so when you're cleaning fish or anything, you just clean them out on the outside or hose down the dog if it gets muddy. Outside refrigerator to keep everything cold. Don't have to run inside to get the juice pouches or anything like that. Just give the kids drinks from the outside. You also have your outside TV mount with the speaker and coax cable and everything. So if you want to stay outside and enjoy the weather, watch everything outside. Around the back side of the camper, Cherokee does a nice 200-pound cargo rack, so you can haul even more stuff on the back of the camper. And of course, you got a backup camera standard, so you don't have to buy the camper and then buy a backup camera. Everything comes with it. Nice presentation, give you an extra stoplight so people can see you stopping, and they're not right up on you. Now we're inside the 23DBHBL. You have the nice entertainment center with your nice radio. Counter space underneath here for you to put your Xbox, DVD player, Blu-ray player, whatever you want to put. Of course, you have your fireplace underneath for you to keep you warm when it's a little cool outside. TV mount here, and of course that's the same as the one outside, so this TV can be taken straight outside. Right over here you have your slide control. It's the one-touch system, so you can control it with your phone, as well as check levels, battery levels, anything like that. Right behind me you have the entrance to the bedroom, and right in front of me you have the kitchen. We'll check those out next. Here we are in the kitchen of the 23DBHBL. Again, because it's a black label, you have solid surface countertops, so if you're cooking over here and set the hot pan there, you're not going to burn anything, and or if you're using a fillet knife to, say, cut a fish, you're not going to cut down into this countertop. It's nice and solid. Nice single basin black sink that Cherokee's known for. Take good quality of everything. Plenty of storage space over top with the glass cabinetry front, so you can see everything back there. Decent microwave. Nice oven with 3-burner top on there. 12-volt refrigerator that goes with the solar panels on top of the camper, the juice pack that these campers come with. And of course you have the nice black cabinetry that goes with everything and ties everything all together. Over here you have the dinette, nice U-shaped dinette to hold all the family together. And of course, if you have the kids have a couple friends over, if you do as well, you can fold this down into a bed and sleep a couple more people. Here you have a couple of double over bunks, weight limit of 300 pounds. So if you have a couple kids that come over or a couple adults that want to stay over with you, got a little bit more sleeping space, nice curtains to be able to, for a little bit of privacy. Of course, they have their own lights, their own vents for heating and cooling. And of course, they have their own storage here as well. And if they need to, the access to the bathroom is right close. Here we are in the bathroom of this Gray Wolf. Of course, as soon as you walk in, you have your vanity here. Nice storage underneath of it. Of course, mirror over top for you to be able to put all your toothpaste and everything there. And you have an exit straight from the outside, so if anybody's having an emergency, wants to run straight into the camper and they're still covered in mud like my kids like to do, they're not trekking mud all over the camper. Nice toilet. And of course, me and the cameraman were just talking about this nice shower. Looks like you have a shower wand, nice big, what I believe they call those rain shower heads, as well as 2 on the wall here, so that way it gives you a little bit more home feel. But nice, pretty nice shower there. Pretty cool setup, and awesome go. As well as you have, of course, the vent fan there, so if you have Taco Bell the night before and you need to evacuate the smell and not let it get in the camper, you can do that. Here we are in the bedroom of the 23DBHBL. Got a nice queen bed here, storage on each side, nice little end table for you to charge your phone on with plug-ins on each side, storage on each side for his and her cabinetry, nice little hanging rack there, as well as overhead storage on each side. They do put an entryway on each side for you to get to each side of the bed. Nice little storage. And of course you have under the bed storage here as well, so you can store all your goodies. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the 2022 Cherokee Grey Wolf Black Label, the 23DBHBL. Great camper, great for a small family. 29 foot or 30 foot and under, so you are again, a National Forest like to have you in with this camper. Great little camper, very well put together, one of my personal favorites. Give us a call. I'm with RV Wholesalers. His name's Dalton Owen. Give us a call, join us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube for a couple more walkthroughs. Hope to hear from you.